So welcome back to Managerial Accounting. I promised to give you an update on that last exercise that we did in class, and I figured out what was missing here. So if you call your attention to that particular problem or exercise, which was on page 71, it says Hosmer Company completed 312,000 units during the year at a cost of $7,800,000. So on the basis of the total costs incurred of $7,800,000, and 312,000 units were completed, you can go ahead and figure out what the unit cost was this year of the goods manufactured this year. And if you take 7,800,000 divided by 312, you get a unit cost of 25. Then they tell us what the beginning inventory was of 20,000 units, 22,000 units. And they say determine the cost of goods sold for 325,000 units, assuming a FIFO cost flow. Okay. So that's the data that was given, which you'll see there on page 71, again, exercise 6. Now, let me show you a solution. Always good in life to have solutions. All right, so what you see on the screen here now is you see that the total cost of goods manufactured this period was $7,800,000 divided by 312,000 units. So the unit cost is $25 per unit. Now, to figure out what the total cost of goods sold was, they gave you a hint there. They said it was FIFO, which means the first goods that came in were the first goods that I get rid of. So I sold 325,000 units, and those 325,000 units, the first group that would have been sold would have been the 22,000 units in the beginning inventory of 440,000. And then you sold 325,000 units, so there was another 303,000 units that were sold. And if you take 325, which was the total units sold, subtract out the 22,000 that you had in beginning inventory, then they must have sold 303 units that were priced at $25. So you take 303,000 multiplied by 25, that gives you 7,575,000. So those were the cost of the goods sold from those made this period. And the other 22,000 units came out of the ending inventory. So of the total cost of goods sold, the 325,000, the units, the total cost of goods sold is 8,015,000, which is made up of the 440,000 you had in beginning inventory, plus the 303,000 units that were manufactured this period at 25. Okay, so your answer there is 8,115,000. Hopefully you found that explanation helpful. I apologize that it didn't occur to me when we were going over this in class. I was doing it live as well. Okay, hope that's useful. Any other questions on this, we'll pick up when I see you on Tuesday. Be well, enjoy your weekend, and I posted the solution in the same place where I posted the video. Take care, everybody, and that is in that other neat stuff. See you later. Bye-bye.